Good morning, friend. Let's talk about daily commodity commentary and technical level. Yesterday, we have noticed that gold and silver prices closed on a flat note. However, in international market, we have seen some correction. Gold is trading around $1763 per ounce. Silver is trading around $22.57 per ounce. The trend of gold and silver are expected to go down on the back of strengthening dollar after giving statement by the Fed that they will increase interest rate sooner than expected, and also they are going to cut down the bond buying program. So this will impact a positive on gold and positive for the dollar and negative for gold and silver. So we are recommending sell in gold and silver for intraday perspective. For today, gold support at 46,400, resistance 4750. Silver support at 60,600, resistance 61,900. The trend of gold and silver are negative, so trader can go for short for intraday perspective in gold and silver. Now let's talk about the base metal. Yesterday we have noticed that a positive trend in all the base metal. Copper price increased sharply by 2.69%. Zinc price increased by 0.70%. Aluminum price increased sharply by 1.71%. The trend of base metal are positive on the back of support come from Chinese government for the Evergrande to put some cash to save the Evergrande builder. So this will impact a positive for the base metal. For today, we are expecting a positive trend in all the base metal. For today, copper support at 709, resistance 719, zinc support at 257, resistance 260, lead support at 185, resistance 188, nickel support at 1445, resistance 1475, aluminum support at 230, resistance 234, steel support at 44,400, resistance 44,850. We are recommending buy in all the base metal, particular in copper and lead. Trader can go for buy in copper and lead for intraday perspective. Now let's talk about the crude oil. Yesterday we have seen that crude oil prices increased sharply by 2.23%. Currently prices are trading on a overbought zone, so we are expecting some profit booking on higher level. For today, crude support at 5200, resistance 5440, natural gas support at 344, resistance 367. We are expecting a profit booking in crude oil and energy segment. However, we are expecting a positive trend may be seen in the base metal. For today, trader can go for short in gold and silver, buy in base metal and sell in energy segment. Now we hope that we will be benefited from this commentary. Thank you.